Kat, for those that know you in this room and those that are here, it's easy to say that my brother found a good one. Thank you for loving my brother. You bring out the best in him, and I can't wait to watch your love and marriage grow.
Kat has always been a fun, bubbly, and happy person who could light up any room. Since she and John started dating, I've only seen her shine brighter and laugh louder.
There's no doubt in my mind that baby bro will excel as a husband. And more importantly, there are great things that await you, now with a true lifelong partner by your side.
Love is the theme on this your wedding day, Kat and John. Kat, you stated the following: what I love most about John is how easy he is to love and how devoted he is to everyone he loves. He always makes me feel like a priority and makes me feel valued. John is goodness to his core, and I can't wait to be able to call him my husband and to go through all of life's ups and downs with him by my side. John, you wrote the following: Kat is the most caring, determined, and family-oriented person I have ever met. Kat never ceases to amaze me when it comes to helping others and putting those close to her first. Kat sets a goal, she's going to accomplish it, no matter what. I can't wait to marry the girl of my dreams, the girl that pushes me to be the best version of me, the girl that I will be proud to call my wife every single day. The love of my life, Catherine Rose. Welcome, everyone. It is my honor and privilege to be here with you today for this blessed event. My friends, we are here to witness the sacrament of matrimony. Catherine and Jonathan, the church shares your joy and warmly welcomes you, as today you establish a lifelong partnership.
I, Jonathan, take you, Catherine, to be my wife.
I, Catherine, take you, Jonathan, to be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
to love you and honor you
all the days of my life.
May the Lord in his kindness strengthen the consent that you have declared before the church and graciously bring to fulfillment his blessing within you. What God joins together, let no one put asunder. John, you may now kiss Kat, your bride.
First of all, Roseanne and I would like to welcome everyone for celebrating this incredibly special day. It just couldn't be more beautiful.
Everyone keeps asking me if I'm excited to have John as a brother, but in reality, I've considered him my brother for the past 7 years.
I've always considered you to be a sister and part of our family. Now that it's official, let me be one of the first ones to welcome you to our family.
John, thank you for sweeping Kat off her feet and making her the happiest she's ever been. The two of you deserve the world. The love you radiate is felt by everyone in this room tonight. Every day you can see the love you guys have for each other.
It's an old-fashioned love, which is just remarkable, and hopefully you guys will all see and feel it tonight as well.
Let love be your shelter. Make a home that is a haven, a peaceful place where you can listen to your hearts and savor the comfortable closeness that you share. No matter how busy your days may be, make time for yourselves. Find little chances every day to show you're grateful to be partners, to be friends, to be married. Put each other first. That is the way to make a beautiful life together, the kind of life you both deserve so much.
Raise your glass. We wish you much love and happiness in your new life together.
To my brother and my new sister, cheers to your love and your marriage.
And congrats to the new Mr. and Mrs. Jonathan McGowan.